Summer's right around the corner. And so you're probably starting to think about how to keep your home cool and comfortable. And like many people, you're gonna be depending on that air conditioner. You need it for your home. It's a life support in all reality. And so today we're gonna be going over a video and telling you exactly what you can do to make sure that unit's working properly. How do you know if it's broke, or maybe it's just not working correctly? And this is gonna be the ultimate guide for you. So as the days get warmer, we get a lot of phone calls, and it's from frustrated, hot customers that have problems with their air conditioning. And so with these tips, we're gonna help prevent that, save you some time, some money, and of course the headaches to keep you comfortable. Hey, I'm Jacob McBee from My Favorite Service Company. First thing to do is always go to the thermostat and make sure that it's programmed correctly, the room temperature is warmer than the set temperature, and it's actually set on cooling. What happens often is that the thermostat will kind of take over and it'll run into some other kind of program and do something crazy. And also sometimes you'll get the two temperatures mixed up. So make sure that your set temperature is below room temperature, it's programmed correctly and set to cool to make you comfortable. And if everything looks good on that, move on to the next step. Next step, check all your vents and your filter. Make sure there's no obstruction, the filter is clean, and it's able to pull in the air as necessary and relieve the air necessary. If everything looks good there, move on to the next step. Lastly, make sure to go to the outside unit and check it. If you hold your hand over the top, you should feel warm air. That means that it's working properly. Also make sure that it's free of obstructions and dirt from the outside so that it can pull in the air necessary to keep your home cool while doing it efficiently. So if you follow these steps and it's still not working, it's probably time to call a professional. These air conditioning systems can be complex, so we always make sure to recommend leaving the repairs and maintenance up to the professionals. Better yet, call My Favorite Service Company. At My Favorite Service Company, we're always here to help. So for all your heating and air conditioning needs, repairs, replacement, and maintenance, give us a call or visit us at our website.